it's Sandy, and today Hannah will be showing you how she gets her perfect oval nail shape.
Hi, it's Hannah. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. So to get my oval shaped nails, I'll be using a nail file that's 150/180 grit. One side is just a little bit more rough than the other. I prefer the 180 grit, which is a little more smooth for my natural nails. But since my nails are already shaped like ovals, I'm going to show you how to get the shape on a more square nail. Starting off, I'll be focusing on the sides of the nail first, so I'm going to file in one direction only, nothing back and forth. While filing, I'll slightly angle the file towards the tip so you create that curve to the nail. So basically you just keep doing this to each side of the nail until you start seeing the oval forming. You also want to make sure your nails are a little bit grown out because shaping them like this does take off some length. Now that the sides are done, you'll be focusing on the tip. You'll basically be doing the same thing, nothing too harsh, just gently angling the file on the tip, going one way and then going the other way, nothing back and forth until you get the full oval shape. So some of you might want to see how I trim my own nails. I actually don't use trimmers or clippers or anything like that. I just file them like I just showed you. I do it very lightly, gently, just to make sure I'm keeping the oval shape that I want. And I always use the smoother side of the file. Another thing to make sure of is to not dig into the side of your nail, not filing too low. You just want to make sure you're filing the free edge. So that's how I get my oval nails. I'll also be giving you a few quick tips on how I keep my nails healthy since that's one of the most popular questions. So what I do the most is moisturize 3, 4, 5, 6 times a day. I do it a lot and it keeps my hands healthy and very hydrated along with my nails. I like to switch it up between oils and creams, but alongside those, I also like using cuticle conditioners, which again, I use multiple times a day. And when I apply them, I massage them into the nail, which can help stimulate nail growth. If you start to moisturize a lot, you'll definitely see a difference, but you also want to make sure you're drinking enough water and eating good foods because when you're healthy on the inside, it'll definitely show on the outside. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to click the info card for more videos on CutePolish, and if you'd like to check out my personal channel, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye!